Evernote versus Notion versus Obsidian. Which one is best? I'm going to tell you whether Evernote, Notion, or Obsidian is the best note taking tool for you. Evernote is great for basic note taking and organization with powerful search, tagging, and web clipping features. However, its free plan is limited, and recent changes have made it less appealing compared to its competitors. Notion is a flexible, all in one workspace that combines notes, databases, task management, and collaboration tools. It's great for teams and individuals who need a structured, customizable workflow, but it requires an internet connection for most features and has a steeper learning curve. Obsidian is a local first markdown based tool that's perfect for network thinking and knowledge management. It's ideal for researchers, writers, and powerful users who want offline access and control over data. However, it lacks native collaboration features. So if you want a simple note-taking app, Evernote is fine. If you need a collaborative all-in-one workspace, go with Notion. But if you prefer a privacy-focused offline knowledge management tool, Obsidian is the best choice.